Good evening, children. In the first video, we saw that how we can submit our assignment in the form of a PDF to our teacher from the file manager. In the same way, we can also submit an image available in the gallery to the teacher. Now, in this video, we are going to see how we can submit the assignment directly from the Classroom app available on the screen. So I will click on the Classroom app. It will open my class. Once I tap on that, then I will click on the Classwork option. Now as there is no due date, so I will select the basic geometric concepts. The teacher has asked to upload the PDF of the chapter. You can click on add work, and if the PDF is available on the drive, you can click on my drive and select the PDF. Else you can click on the upload option and you can search for the file in your files. And the third option is you can take a picture of the copy, or suppose your teacher has asked you to send a photo of the work you are doing in the class, so you can click on the camera option and then you can either record a video or you can take a photo. Just take the snap and click on the tick. You can see your work and no due date is visible on the screen, and if you click on the arrow above like this, you can see your picture has been updated over here. Just click, if you want to add more work, you can click on add work, and again you can use any of these options. Else just click on hand in. As you click on this, hand your work, and again I am going to click on the hand in option. Work submitted, and you can see your work handed in. It shows that your work has reached the teacher. Thank you.